Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to add a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number using a number line. So the first problem, that's the example for you, is 45 plus 8. So even though these are bigger numbers than you're used to, we still are going to use a number line the same way we would do if we were doing numbers under 20. So 45 is the biggest of the two numbers. So we put our pencils on 45, and then how many are we going to count? 8. Ready? 1, 6, 7, 8. So what number did we land on? Let's circle it. 53. Excellent job. Nice. So our next problem is 29 plus 5. So I'm going to start on what number? 29. And how many jumps will I take? 5. Very good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then circle the number. What number did we stop on? 34. Excellent. Very good. The next problem is 32 plus 6. So let's find 32 on the number line and put our pencil there. And then how many hops are we going to take? 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number did we end up on? 38. Very good. Okay, the next problem is 58 plus 2. So let's find 58 on our number line, and then let's hop 2 spaces. Ready? 1, 2. Circle it. What number did we stop at? We stopped at 60. Very good. 17 plus 9. So let's put our pencil on 17. How many hops will we take? We'll take 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Circle the problem. The number? 26. Very good. Okay, we are on our last one, 74 plus 3. Put our pencil on 74. We're going to take 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. What number did we land on? 77. Excellent. Okay, if you turn it over on the back, we have some -7 fact problems. So I want you to do the top part first. And then, so we start up here and we have 7 minus 7 is 0. Then we have 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. And so on. And then finish the problems at the bottom. And then when you're finished, show your teacher. Thank you.